RVer Frank here. Well, the build came out pretty close to the original design. I pulled the RV out to go get it licensed down at the DMV. Let's go see how the projects outside are doing. Well, they tell me the workshop is going to be coming soon. Let's take a look at the Alumawood progress. Finally, it's done, and all the patio furniture is in place. It's been a while since I put out a video, but there have been a lot of projects that have been started and completed. We're pretty satisfied with this shade protection here. Let's take a walk around. Boy, it sure has come a long ways from when it first began. We're learning how to smoke with our new Z grill. I installed roll-up shades at each end of the Alumawood awning. Well, that completes the backyard. Now I'll turn my focus on getting this workshop built. I have a lot of other projects coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
This used to be a full town.
Or stagecoach.
There's a whole town front here. It went for a mile up this way. The Cosmopolitan was a restaurant.
Oh no, it's Wells Fargo and Company Express.
But now the town used to go up here. It was a long town.
It's a different restaurant.
Yeah, it's a Cosmopolitan restaurant.
It's still open.
It does open